How to restrict someone on Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to restrict someone on Messenger. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your Messenger app is up to date. If not, you can check using Play Store or App Store on your device. If you see update button next to Messenger, you can simply tap on it and update your app to the latest version. Once done, select the open button and then log into your Messenger account. You need to simply select anyone that you want to restrict on Messenger. For that, you can open the chat or else you can also tap and hold a particular person's chat and then select the restrict button. Once you have done that, it got vanished from this page and we have successfully restricted that person on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.